Alright, YouTube, and all my Ryker rider homies, back again with the Am Ryker Shadow Black. I drove the Ryker all the way down to 0 on the gas tank. So I'm going to pull up to the gas station, see how much gas it's going to take to actually fill up when it's at 0 and the gas light is flashing. Hopefully I can make it to the gas station before I run out of gas. Alright, YouTube, so I filled it up to the brim. 4.648 gallons went in there. So I only used the premium 93. So I don't think that's bad. I know a lot of people don't use premium, but why not?